the red dream. For centuries, we've looked to the night sky and wondered, are we alone? Among billions of stars, one world glows red, silent and haunting. Mars, the planet that has tempted scientists, dreamers and astronauts for generations. Every photograph, every rover transmission, every dust storm image whispers the same question. When will we set foot there? Now, NASA believes it has the answer and the year is 2035. Behind the headlines, beyond public missions, lies a classified strategy known inside NASA as Project Ares, a 10-year roadmap not to visit Mars, but to colonize it. This is the story of that secret plan and the human race's most ambitious gamble, from Apollo to Artemis. The journey to Mars didn't begin with rockets, it began with footprints. In 1969, Apollo 11 proved humans could leave Earth. In 2025, the Artemis program will prove we can stay off it. Artemis I tested NASA's new Orion spacecraft built to travel beyond the moon. Artemis 2 will send astronauts farther than any human since 1972. And Artemis 3, the first woman and next man on the moon, will build the foundation for a permanent lunar base. Why? Because the moon isn't the destination. It's the training ground for Mars. Every experiment on the lunar surface, from oxygen extraction to dust shielding, is rehearsal for survival 225 million kilometers away. Project Ares, NASA's classified plan. Publicly, NASA speaks of exploration. Privately, it's building a colony. According to internal reports leaked in 2025, Project Ares divides Mars colonization into 4 phases. Phase 1, robotic recon. Deploy autonomous drones and diggers to identify landing zones and harvest local materials. Phase 2, habitat, pre-build, robots. 3D print protective domes before humans arrive. Phase 3, human landing. 4 astronauts will touch down using Orion-derived landers. Phase 4, colony expansion. A 100-person base by 2035, fully self-sustaining. Each phase connects to NASA's Deep Space Gateway, orbiting the Moon, a staging station that refuels and launches missions into deep space. In short, Earth to Moon to Mars, humanity's new supply chain. SpaceX and the private race. NASA isn't alone in this race. Elon Musk's SpaceX has built Starship, a fully reusable rocket capable of carrying 100 people and cargo directly to Mars. Behind closed doors, NASA and SpaceX are quietly merging their data. While NASA perfects life support systems, SpaceX tests mass-scale transport. The European Space Agency and India's ISRO are developing their own modules. But the real breakthrough comes from cooperation. Private innovation plus government precision, a colony that might actually last. Engines of tomorrow. To reach Mars faster, NASA is betting on a revolution: nuclear thermal propulsion. Codename Prometheus, this engine heats hydrogen through uranium reactors, achieving double the efficiency of chemical rockets. Tested under DARPA's Draco program, Prometheus could cut travel time from 7 months to less than 3. Engineers say it will make round-trip missions possible, a first in history. But there's more. NASA is experimenting with ion thrusters, plasma drives, and solar sails. Each could become the backbone of future interplanetary travel. Because in space, speed is safety, building life on Mars. When astronauts arrive, home will look nothing like Earth. Their shelters will be 3D printed domes, built from Martian regolith soil melted into bricks by robots months before they land. Each dome will connect to underground tunnels shielding from radiation. Power will come from small nuclear reactors and solar farms. Oxygen will be generated by splitting CO2, while water will be mined from ice beneath the surface. Even food will grow in pressurized greenhouses using microbes engineered to survive in low gravity. Every system supports the other, a closed loop designed to last forever. Surviving the red planet. Mars is lethal. Its atmosphere is 100th the density of Earth's. Radiation levels can fry electronics and DNA alike. A single storm can blanket the planet for months. NASA's countermeasures: liquid hydrogen radiation shields, magnetic field generators, and gene therapy trials to prevent bone loss. Psychological survival is equally crucial. Crews will face 20-minute communication delays, complete isolation, and the awareness that rescue could take years. To prepare, analog missions in Utah and Antarctica simulate Mars living conditions today. Terraforming, fact or fantasy? Beyond colonization lies an idea both magnificent and terrifying: terraforming Mars. Could we transform a dead world into a living one? NASA's Planetary Science Division studies engineered microbes that convert carbon dioxide into oxygen. Other proposals suggest releasing greenhouse gases to warm the planet, or building giant orbiting mirrors to reflect sunlight. Critics warn of ecological arrogance. Creating life where none existed could destroy potential alien ecosystems. But supporters argue, to survive, humanity must evolve its planets too. The human story. At the heart of every mission are the people willing to risk everything. Astronauts trained for years, pilots, doctors, engineers chosen not for strength, but for resilience. They'll face 500 days of isolation, 0.38 G gravity, and an alien sunrise every 24 hours and 39 minutes. Their families will wait through radio silence, their messages delayed by millions of kilometers. And someday, a child will be born there. The first Martian human. That moment will redefine what it means to be from Earth. The countdown to 2035. Today, the final pieces are falling into place. The Gateway Station near the Moon is under construction. Starship test flights are pushing capacity. NASA's budget for deep space colonization quietly doubled. If the schedule holds, by 2035, humanity's first permanent Mars base, Ares Outpost 1, will stand on the Elysium Plains. For the first time in 4 billion years, Mars will echo with footsteps. A red world will become a new home. The question is no longer, can we go? It's, will we stay? This is Abid Research, uncovering the future beyond the horizon. Subscribe, stay inspired, and keep watching the stars.